Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use laser distance sensor to measure distance with the NodeMCU ESP8266. Let's get started. First we have a breadboard which we will use easily connect all our components without soldering. Next is the NodeMCU, our main microcontroller that reads the sensor and send data to the serial monitor. Finally, we have jumper wires which we use to make all the necessary connection between sensors, NodeMCU and breadboard. Then we have a laser distance sensor which emits the laser beam to measure the distance or to an object. Connect the sensor's SDA pin to D5, SCL to D6 on the NodeMCU, then connect GND to ground and VCC to 3.3 volts. Open Arduino IDE, select the NodeMCU ESP8266 board, choose the correct port and upload the code. Now open the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. Place an object in front of the laser sensor. As I move the object closer to or further, you will see the distance values updating in centimeters in real time. This lets us see exactly how far the object is from the sensor.